Hello MTV and welcome to our crib. Although saying that is the wrong program, isn't it? But I thought today the sun is shining, we have a little bit of a gap in the workshop, so I figured let's give you guys a little workshop tour, show you some behind the scenes and just show you the other side of sort of van conversion and van building, how we work, I said that twice, how we work and what we do. And then yeah, hopefully give you guys a bit of an insight into who and what we are a little bit more. So coming into VanWerks, this is our main entrance area here. And just recently we've decided to put a bit of like a demo area in here, a little bit of demonstrations. It's a bit messy at the moment. It is a work in progress, just trying to find some time to build it. But all samples of different sort of people we work with, manufacturers, suppliers, all that sort of jazz and stuff. So you can come in here, get hands-on, feel products, go take them out to your van, eye them up, see what works, see what doesn't work. Different sort of leather options with DK and all the stitching and different patterns you can have. And then we're going to start sort of putting some bits and pieces in here as well that we offer. So got like some headlight upgrades. We've got a stripped out diesel heater, so you can get your hands, see that as well. Products we fit, CBEs, USBs, all that sort of stuff. And then also some demonstrations of sort of like the sound deadening to thermo to your plastic wadding. So loads of different insulation, different styles, outros. Can talk till the cows come home about bits and pieces we're doing with that. So hopefully a couple of weeks, couple of times, this should all be up and running, put a bit of lighting in it, and then you get to see just what we do really. If we've not got a van in stock with what you want, hopefully there's something here that will give you an idea, something that's good for you, something that you can see. But then coming round as well, we've got the office in here. Here's where you'll find Matt and bits and pieces. So that's where you'll be doing sort of like after handovers or payments or just general chats and stuff like that. Probably be behind that door. And then behind here, I'd like to say where the magic happens, but unfortunately no entry to the general public. Doesn't always stop people, but for insurance purposes obviously and all the boring stuff, unfortunately you're not really meant to come back here unless you're assisted by us, good or bad. However, we'll take you in here today and we'll show you what's what. So coming into the workshop straight away, we're a little bit fortunate and unfortunate. We have some amazing space in here to work with, but once you start putting a couple of big vans in, we run out of space very, very quickly. As you can see at the moment, separate sort of way of working, but normally it's set up where each tech sort of has a little area in front of their box, and then we can all work sort of in front of your toolbox. You haven't got to be going for ages to get tools and bits and pieces. But new system, used to have all sort of big like booths and bits and pieces over there, a couple of benches. If you've been here in the past, gutted all of that, changed everything, big shake up this year, just try and make it a bit more usable, bit better space to work really. And then as well, build some cooler vans and bits and pieces. So behind us, we've got one of our combis, T6.1 stock is running very, very low as you can imagine. And we're very fortunate, we still have a couple left in stock of brand new delivery mile 6.1s. This one is just having some final touches fitted in it with the retrofitting of like fog lights, parking sensors, all stuff like that as well, which is pretty cool. So coming around this side of the workshop, this is actually my area, temporary bench at the moment because I've not had time to build one. And then we've got the CNC over in the corner. So this has been a long-term project to get this up and running. Someone who used to run it, no longer here, so now it's getting us on it and time and stuff like that. But we've now got the parts to fix it, so which is all cool. So that should be up and running very, very soon. It's a bit of a mess around here, but my toolbox, my setup, so this is where I work. And then as we come around the corner today, because Stan's actually here and it's only two of us in the workshop today, normally there's three. Stan's working on this Peugeot partner, relay, Citroen, Fiat Ducati thing, full electric job in here. So we've got James's setup, so James would normally work here, so a van would normally be here, but obviously, as I say today, a little bit of a different setup. And then walking around, we've got a returning customer actually. We built this one a couple of years ago now, and then last year he's come in for the van pod, which is a really cool one. So this guy does like security work, dog work, stuff like that. Really lovely gentleman with two amazing dogs as well, although they probably can kill you. He's got this really cool custom van pod for his dogs. So we've got the big gates on it, stuff like that as well. Still with the sliding bed and all the jazz, still works as the van pod, but got the crates in there, access obviously from the inside as well as this because we've factory combied it and also turned it into a combi from factory parts. Really, really cool. A bit special to me as well, because ex-RAC patrolman, this is actually one of my sister vans from when I was a patrolman, so pretty cool connection, really. And then coming around, we've got workshop tools, bits and pieces, Matt running out the way of the shot. And then this is Stan's area, so this is where Stan will work, his box and his bench. And as I say, at the moment, we're in here doing some wiring for this couple here with their van. So they're self-building their van, they're gonna do everything themselves. We are just literally kitting out the electrics for them, hooking up all the bits and pieces, because you know, we don't have to build your van, we will work on it, we will put the foundations in, we will lay some cables, we'll hook some stuff up for you. It's, yeah, we don't have to build it, we can do bits and pieces. If you're scared of cutting holes, we can do that, no worries at all. Or yeah, just hooking up anything you want really. So we're all good. And then wandering around here, upstairs is parts and carpeting, bits and pieces. Sort of keeps carpeting out the way. Obviously when we're doing sawdust and cutting and stuff, you want to keep them two bits separate. And then a mountain of parts all waiting to go into vans, wheels and wheels and wheels absolutely everywhere. We've got bits of roofs down here ready for next projects, old seat bases and stuff like this. If anyone's in the market for double seats, please let us know. We have a surplus of them that we're trying to get rid of. So we've got loads of them, glass as well, spray glue canisters, all cool. And then over here is parts delivery day. Parts come in every single day, as you can imagine. A lot goes into building vans. So here's all of our rackings. This is where all of your vans, gubbins, bits, pieces, stuff like that would all live until it goes into your van. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you a little rundown, a little behind the scenes of what goes on, who we are and what actually happens in here. But for now though, I've got a lot to do, so has everybody else. So we're gonna crack on and we'll see you guys later.